Hi friends, welcome to another video by Travel Traveler. In today's video, we'll go for a walk through a beautiful town surrounded by a plethora of tourist spots, which is located in the Himalayas and known as the village of shepherds in their native language, Pahalgam. Pahalgam, which is one of the best tourist spots. It is a town located in the Anantnag district of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It's located 45 kilometers from Anantnag on the banks of Lidar River at an altitude of 2,200 meters. Pahalgam also offers shopping facilities to the tourists. It is quite popular for wool products like gabbas and namdas, available in the local shops. There are very less departmental stores in Pahalgam, which is likely due to the fact that it is a hill station. We walked around and explored the shops in the town area. In both sides you can see restaurants, resorts, hotels, lodges, textile shops, gift shops, dry fruit shops, etc. This place was green as it was summer, and it was cold despite being the hottest season. The place was mesmerizing. It's the main area for the people to start their tour to different places around Pahalgam like Beta Valley, Aru Valley, Baisran Valley and Chandanwari Valley. In addition, it's an excellent base for long treks such as to the Kalahoi Glacier or to the Amarnath Cave. Pahalgam is associated with the annual pilgrimage of Amarnath Yatra. The town is the starting point of the Yatra that takes place every year in the months of July to August, receiving thousands of tourists. It's a slightly busy area and may become congested at times. Nevertheless, the tour promises you perfect unforgettable memories that you can share with your friends and family members. Friends, stay with us as we take a walk around and explore the picturesque Pahalgam town. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss any new updates.